cracking, y'all? POV. And I'm just driving on my way home from work, making this quick video, man. Hey, I'm vlogging. Yeah, I got my camera, that's why I ain't put my window down. All right. One of my coworkers tried to, I don't know why this nigga be trying to race me, man. No, he can't do nothing with it. He got a damn, what the hell is that? Like a Ford Fusion or something. I think it's a Fusion. He just burning gas. But yeah, man, I love this car, bro. Like, real talk. Like, I smoke in my car. It's my car. I don't give a shit what nobody say. I bet you when I go to them shows, though, you don't really smell nothing. But anyway, I love this car, man. Like, I haven't had any major issues with this car at all. Minor shit. Spark plugs, coil pack. That's pretty much it. Like, real talk. I had some issues where I cracked the rim. It's pretty common with these Alphas. I went to a rim repair shop, had it repaired. I haven't had any problems with it since. So. When I first got this car, a lot of people were, you know, few people that I knew that had Alphas. I know quite a few people in Vegas. Matter of fact, check out Sin City Alphas in Las Vegas, Nevada. A few homies in that club, that organization. So they, you know, give me the ins and outs on the Alpha, what to expect. A lot of them drive Alphas. Some of them drive Quadrifolios, Stelvios. I mean, they all over the place. So I definitely reached out to them before I even decided to buy this car. And the real reason why I got this car is because my granddaddy, you know, he loved Saabs back in the day. You know, if you know too much about Saabs, y'all know too much about Saabs. But he always wanted the 9. Oh man, I don't even know what model. It's the turbo edition Saab. It's got to be like an 80s model, late 80s model. He always wanted one of them. And this is the closest thing I can find to a Saab because I didn't want a Saab. So I found this Alpha. Pretty much the same specs. I got it. 2 years ago, I've had foreign cars, I've had Beamers, I've had Mercedes, I've had Maserati, I had a Maserati, Range Rover, all of that. None of them compared to this car. I had issues with a Range Rover, 50,000 miles transmission, boom. It was common for that year, making model that I had. But still, it was a foreign car, so you wouldn't be expecting the transmission to go out at 50,000 miles. But it did. Sitting at about 79,309 on the Alpha. When I got it, it had 28,000 miles on. So yeah, I've been doing some driving, cause I do a lot of traveling, going back and forth to New York, Pennsylvania, DC, Florida, Georgia. Yeah, I'll be all over the East Coast. Me and my wife. So it definitely gets its wear and tear, you know, highway wear and tear, daily wear and tear. But I've never had any major issues with this car at all. Besides that cracked rim, that was it. It was losing air. I didn't know why I was losing air. I couldn't put air in it. Then finally I said, oh, let me take it to a shop. Took it to my homie shop. He took the wheel off. We saw the crack. He knew a spot. I went to the spot. They fixed it. And I haven't had an issue with it since. And that's been about a year. Because I really didn't want to change the rims. I really want to keep it Alfa, but I'm about to go in a different direction with this car. So I will be changing the rims here shortly. It's just finding the right rim. Because the brake caliber on this car is so freaking big. That front brake caliber is so freaking big. It's hard to find an aftermarket rim for this car. Unless you're going to a place that specifically deals with Alphas. I'm talking in my experience so far. Other than that, I'll be dropping videos here. Mods and different stuff that I'm doing to the car. The weather's definitely starting to get nice, so yeah, it's on. It's about to be on. This sumbitch will float, cuz I'm telling you, man. A lot of people sleep on this car. There's probably more Dodge parts up under this hood than a lot of these Mopars riding around here. This was a spinoff, Chrysler Fiat, So yeah, the Alfa Romeo is definitely a part of the Dodge family. My oil filter on here is a freaking Mopar Dodge oil filter. So for all you scat packs and you Hellcats that line up against me, and I tell your ass up off that line because you're sliding and you're spinning everywhere. Yeah, that's why. And it's all-wheel drive. So I come from the Mopar community. You know what I'm saying? I was Mopar thugged out all the way, gang before I got this. So, oh yeah, I know what I got. Slide up out of here, cuz. Hey man, I'm drop a couple clips of the car. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to know. And I'm gonna hit you back in the next video, homie. Holla.